Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about the terrestrial, arboreal, aquatic, aerial and amphibian animals. The animals are divided into various groups according to the place where they live. The terrestrial animals are the animals that live on the land and they have the lungs as their respiratory organ. They have limbs, especially the forelimbs, like the two forelimbs and the two hind limbs they use for living on the land. Such animals are called terrestrial animals. The animals such as the rhinoceros, zebra, goat, cow, buffalo, the giraffe, the elephants, the jackal, hyena, wolf, all these are the animals called the terrestrial animals that live on the land. Now students, the aquatic animals. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. There are many types of aquatic animals. We know mainly fishes. Students, the aquatic animals have special swimming organs to move in the water. They have the breathing organs such as the gills for respiration. So these organisms are adapted to live in water. There are two types of aquatic habitats. They are the marine and freshwater habitat. All the organisms that live in the seas, oceans, ponds, wells, rivers are called the aquatic animals. The examples of aquatic animals are the starfish, fish, whales, the blue whale, the sharks, the crocodiles also spend most of their time in water, and the water snails and the seahorse. All these are the example of the aquatic animals. Now students, we are going to learn about the aerial animals. The animals that spend most of their time in the air is known as the aerial animals. The mammal, the flying mammal, bat, that is an aerial animal because it flies in the air. It is active at night. The honeybees, wasps, the butterflies, dragonflies, various species of birds like the eagle, hummingbird, crows, parrots, pigeons, the sparrows and the robins. There are various species of birds. They spend most of their time in flying. These animals, the aerial animals, they catch their prey also while they are flying. Now students, the aerial animals have wings to fly in the air. To live in the air, they have the wings as the organ of movement. They have the legs, and these legs they use for walking on the ground and also for landing, or while they are sitting on the branch of a tree, also their legs help them. So all these are the organisms. Many types of insects also, like the beetles, ladybirds, they are also aerial animals. They can also fly in the air. Now students, the arboreal animals. The animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. We know that the langurs, monkeys, baboons, orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, spider monkey, lion-tailed monkey, the golden lion tamarins, the hooper monkeys, the mandrills. All these are examples of the Arboreal animals, sloth bears, and the koala bear, panda. All these are also the squirrels, flying squirrels, many types of insects. They are also arboreal animals because they spend most of their time on the trees. They sleep on the branches of trees and they pluck the fruits or flowers or the leaves from trees and they eat that particular type of food. Such animals are called the arboreal animals. Now students, the last category of animals, they are the amphibians. The amphibians are the animals, they can live in water and also on the land. In their life cycle, they shows mostly the amphibians show three types of respiration. There are three organs of respiration. For example, frog is an amphibian, frogs and toads. In their larval stage, like when they are in the tadpole stage, the frogs and toads, they breathe through gills. These tadpoles breathe through gills like the fish. When they become adult, they breathe through their moist skin in water and with its lungs on land. So there are cutaneous respiration and pulmonary respiration in the amphibians. They can live in water and also on the land. There are different organisms as the examples of amphibians. They are the frogs, toads, salamanders, newts and caecilians. So these are the organisms, they can live in water and on land. Now students, in this video we learned about different types of organisms that live in different habitats. We learned about the terrestrial animals. The terrestrial animals live on land and they get their food and all the living conditions from the land. So they are called terrestrial animals. There are many examples. The animals that live in water and they have the gills and special type of organs for movement in water are called the aquatic animals. They breathe in the dissolved oxygen present in the water. Now students, we know that there are aerial animals, the animals that spend most of their time in the air. They can fly, they have wings, one or two pairs of wings they are having. The birds, bats, bees, the monarch butterflies, mosquitoes, dragonflies, all these are the examples of aerial animals. The animals that spend most of their time on the trees are called arboreal animals. For example, monkeys, gorillas, chimpanzees, squirrels, sloths, lemurs, all these are the examples of the arboreal animals. Now children, the amphibians, they can live in water and on land. They have a special breathing organs to breathe in water and on land. So children, I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.